Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a dot matrix LED display module with IC MAX7219 IC. So let's get started. In the last video I have explained how to connect one single display with this IC, and in this video I am going to connect 6 of them with Arduino. Here is the first Max IC, second one, third one, and it goes on like this. Its ground is 4, 9. These two are connected to the ground, and all of them we have to connect. Its positive is 19. We have to connect it with plus 5 volt. Pin number 18 is I set, and we have to connect 10 kilo ohm resistor with this to control the brightness of the display, and it goes on like this. Arduino pin D11, it is connected to pin number 1 of this IC. It is data input. Arduino pin D13 and D10, these two are common for all. D10 is connected to pin number 12 of all the IC, and Arduino pin D13 is connected to pin number 13 of all the IC, and it goes on like this. Pin number 24 of this IC, it is data out pin, and this 24 connected to pin number 1 of the next IC, and again 24 is connected to next pin number 1, and again 24 will be connected to pin number 1 of next IC, and it will go on. So this is the basic circuit diagram for all the connections, and as I already explained the output pin of this IC in the last video, so you have to watch that one for connections between this IC and the dot matrix display. Dot matrix display like this, okay, and I already explained its pin diagram and which pin should go which pin of the IC, so you should watch previous video before watching this video. So this is all about the circuit diagram. Now we have to make the module. This type of display having 8 pins in one side, so we need a rounded female header like this so that we can put it on the display pins. Now solder MAX7219. So this is only for one display. Now like this we have to do for 6 displays. This is how I have soldered all these 6 displays. Now I have to join all these 3 PCBs. Now to make stronger joint, I'll use this type of copper wire. It is 17 SWG. Now I'll solder it like this, and it will work as positive and negative rail. Soldering is completed. Now I'll put this display like this, okay. So this side will be 1, so this pin will be 1 to 8, 9 to 16. Then again 1 to 8, 9 to 16, okay. Like this I will put all the 6 displays. Now we have to solder all this pin to the IC. Positives and negatives are connected, and also the current limiting resistor. Now I have soldered all the ICs and the display pins. Now we have to connect one more thing. In between positive and negatives, we have to connect a capacitor. It is 10 microfarad. Parallel with this, we have to connect another capacitor, and it is 0.1 microfarad. And we have to solder these two capacitors as close as possible. So this is how I have soldered all the capacitors, and I have soldered them very close to the IC pin. Now I'll put Arduino Nano in this place. For this we need female header like this, and I'll put it here. As you can see, I have soldered the Arduino pins according to the circuit. Now we have to upload the program. Go to File, Examples, MD Parola Scrolling. To open a new file. Okay, now as I am not using Parola hardware, I am using FC16 type hardware, so I have to write here, and then I have to tell 6 devices, so make it 6. I want a speed of 40 millisecond scrolling speed, and then I do not want any delay. I want this message to show in the display. Now we have to upload this. Uploading, and it is uploaded. In the camera we are not seeing it properly, so I am making it just off focus so that we can see it better. Okay, so this is the output. Now I am turning off my lights. This is on focus. Okay. This is the 5-volt mobile charger, and I'll use this charger as a power supply of this display. Now here is AC 220 volt. So in this way you can make your display portable. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.